Anyway, I asked my producer to get for me the signature sound of That's Life Matter for our TV audience. But let's go back to Dr. Bosa. 47-year celebration. What have you planned for all your fans? Generations, they're like a decade is 10 years, yeah? Those are like 4 decades. Yes. Grandchildren, the children, Nabazadi. All of us in one accord. What have you prepared for us?
Actually, you can imagine almost 5 decades.
Almost 5.
It was from that humble where we put and together and together to this .com era that today. So we are going to take you through that journey. And the theme for this
celebration
is the future of theatre. So, as we take you through Tubalaga, you'll be able to see actually some of those icons during that time. Like the Nakawundis will be here, the Kwesi, Kaganda, Spectre, Oyeto team. Yes, will be live on stage. We shall have Mishaliro and all those people that together to talk about the journey industry.
Yes.
And up to today, future kitugenda. That is why to cut it across, we've got all the artists. Tulina bali abali wabedda, tulina abali wabo makati, tulina ne ba Gen Z, tulina ne ba celebrities abaliko Miss Uganda, and so kwekamba twagadde kwekamba singa the whole bulungi nnyo. So that is kakati naye ka content erimu bingi waliwo byesaagadde ate kusaabulula to spoil it for you people. But you just can imagine having all these people on stage and seeing them live. First of all, it's chichakuga memories. Memories when I was celebrating 33 years in the industry, it so happened that the president came and was not blessing the occasion.
Your birthday?
I preached.
Yes, he preached on that day.
You were when everybody was celebrating?
No, that was me now.
33?
Yes, 33 years.
The president came?
Yes, he did come.
Kati, I preached before the president.
And he preached before the president. And the president recognized him.
Yes.
Kati yagamba nti, I saw this guy when I was still young. And
he was young.
That's life matter, right? That is
yes.
That's life matter. So to kwegamba ekyo kiraga nti abantu bangi nnyo balaba that's life matter banakyali bato. So those memories tugenda kuzizuukusa zigenda kubanga zijja.
I'm going to interrupt
as you watch the show.
I'm going to interrupt you just briefly. Today, Chiboga. Was the play shot in Chiboga, or were you just like?
No. It was just like, no one go muzanyo. Nemugamba nti
abantu bava Chiboga.
Kakati nga twagala okuteekawo that difference. Tulina omuwala Eviki ali mu kibuga. Kakati tugenda okufuna omuwala Nakawunde nga tulina okunoonya ekyalo
n'ekiboga si wala.
By then, akati kiboga because the roads
back then it was really far.
By then it was far. It was far. era bw'olabanga kyalo.
I'm trying to imagine singa omuzannyo gwo gwali stage kisaawa zino singa ab'ekibuga bali ku social media mutuveeko ng'ab'ennaasana bwe beekalakaasa. I would imagine singa mutuveeko, but as a child growing up I used to think, okay, Chibuga is so far, it should be very, very remote. That's the picture you painted in the...
Yes. So ekintu kino kikapasinga abantu bangi nnyo. Audience yaffe ejja kubanga eri bulungi. Tulina abo abaali mu biseera ebyo, tulina ba Gen Zs abaagala okumanya ebyaliwo mu biseera ebyo ne kumanya ekitumuvinze ekituteekeze on, because Ebons tugenda tutambulira n'omulembe, just as she said, tutambula n'omulembe nga bwe bagutambula, tetukkiriza kusigala mabega.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we give you any other detail, first of all, let's announce the guest of honor for the Ebony celebration of 47 years. This is a person, Tamara Gajja. No. So this is actually very special. Do the honors, Dr. Bosa.
Oyo abamaama waffe banokutereera bulungi ne mbogera. Our guest of honor will be the Nabagereka, Sylvia Najinga. Yasiimye okubaawo ng'abiri mu Serena wano nga tucelebratinga emyaka na 47 years nga tuli mu nsiike eya entertainment. Tumwebaza nnyo.
Mama Nabagereka tumuwa obugalo. Abaganda n'ensi. Tusiimye nnyo ddala. Naye ndabyeko ko Ssaabasajja naye yakyalirako ko.
Oh yes. Bwe twali tugulawo theatre amaka gaffe, theatre la Bonita.
Yes.
Ssaabasajja yasiima najja n'akagulawo. Yes.
Okay, so kyakitiibwa nti you're going to be amidst royals. You're going to be amidst royalty as we celebrate 47 years of the Ebonies. We want to appreciate everyone who has been part of this journey, who is part of this journey. Abaliwo, bagenda okubaawo n'abaaliwo, mwenna mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala. Naye twagala okubanjukiza ennaku z'omwezi zijja kuba 2 December, ennaku tutuuzayo ennaku simba 10 days. 10 days. Yes, so 10 days from now, tujja kuba wano Kampala Serena Hotel, ate nate tujagulize wamu ne Ebonies okuyingira. Ngenda kugamba wa figures ezo naye nga tables $2 million Fauzia. To a breakdown here.
Tickets is so 150.
150.